Oversized items like pianos, pool tables, and extra-large furniture require deliberate planning and specialist handling well before moving day. Start by measuring every dimension of the item and every opening along the route from the current location to the moving truck and into the new home. Measure height, width, depth, and diagonal clearances and record the turning radii required for hallways and staircases. Photograph tricky angles and sketch the route so movers can visualize tight spots before arrival. When possible, disassemble items to reduce bulk and label all fasteners and panels so reassembly is straightforward on the other end. Arrange for custom crating or heavy-duty padding for delicate finishes and internal mechanisms like piano action or felt on pool tables. Confirm insurance coverage that specifically lists oversized or specialty moves and keep receipts and serial numbers for high-value items. Obtain building approval and reserve elevator time where needed and coordinate with both origin and destination building managers to ensure protective floor runners and door jamb covers are in place. The three most common mistakes are underestimating the size of the item and failing to measure the route, which leads to last-minute delays and possible damage. Fix this by measuring twice, drafting a simple route diagram, and sharing it with the movers in advance. A second mistake is assuming standard movers can handle specialty pieces, which can cause dropped items or improper disassembly. Avoid that by hiring movers who specialize in pianos, pool tables, or fine furniture, and ask for examples of similar moves. The third mistake is neglecting building rules and not securing approvals or elevator reservations, which can result in denied access on moving day. Prevent this by contacting building management early, submitting any required forms, and booking time slots for movers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in special handling and large item moves, and also helps contractors find work in our network. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange advice, share vendor recommendations, and troubleshoot tricky moves together.